just in case it helps somebody out. If in case you wanted to learn how to use ChatGPT in Google Sheets. In my last video, I kind of went through what it can do for you with this gardening guide, but here's how you actually incorporate it. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to extensions, app script. It's going to take you here. This is the script you want to use, right? You may need to adjust the max tokens depending on how much text you want your answers to have, right? Each token is about a word, I think, or something like that, or about a character. You may want to put a delay to avoid like sending too many requests too fast. And your API key is the important part. So this is the function you're going to call in Google Sheets, but you need to have a paid OpenAI account, and your API key is going to be here. So you're going to go to your settings, your profile, and then user API keys. You can do project API keys. That's what they've replaced them with. But I haven't done that yet. So I just named mine Google Sheets. I copied the key when I made it, and then I put it in here. Once you do that, you can come here and you can use the call open API function you just defined in the app script up here. It's this name, not this name, right? This is the name of the app script. This is the name of the function. And you're going to say, you're just going to ask it a question. So in my case, this says, yes or no, can the object in column B within this row? That's what indirect B row means. Carrots grow in the USDA zone in row in column F for this row, which is 7A, right? And the answer was yes. So that's how you call the OpenAI API with a function in Google Sheets using AppScript. And it doesn't cost much. You could probably run this thing for like $1 a day. I think today I've used less than $1. It just depends what model you use and how many times you run it. I used like $4 the other day. But that's how you can use ChatGPT in your Google Sheets without paying a bunch of money for like one of these extensions, because those extensions probably double your cost. Because last month I spent over $100 just off the extension. So if you want to avoid that, this is how you do it.